Alright guys, I did this a couple years ago. Did this deck over here, did the handrails, did the shower, did all this all the way around the pool until we got here. Two different property owners, and at that time he didn't want me to do that, but he's got me doing this now. Wish we could have done it all at one time. Alright guys, this is a duplex I've been working at. I did this deck here along with the staircase 2 years ago, and at that point the homeowner here did not want his done, which I showed you at the beginning of the video what it looked like. Well, that's what it looks like now. Well, seven days plus some plumbing repairs to the pool pump and everything. So anyway, this is where I'm working at. Where are you working at?